How do I find my billing address for my debit card? Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can find a billing address for your debit card. For this, first of all, you have to log in to your online banking account and then verify the billing address for your credit or the debit card. There you can look at the address on your bank statement. It's usually under your number and the account number. Whether you use the debit or the credit card, your billing address will always appear on the statement. You can request a statement if you haven't received it in the past. After that, you can contact your bank via phone or email if you are unsure. If you're looking for your billing address for a specific vendor, you can go to your online profile with the vendor or take a look at any past invoices that you have with the vendor. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.